can chew it, but you can't swallow it.
No, you can't swallow it. No eating.
No eating. You chew it, but
You just gotta let it sit in there.
Don't chew it, but not swallow it.
Alright, good.
No, don't chew on it.
You guys are too loud, we can't hear them.
Fuzzy monkey!
Thank you.
Fuzzy monkey.
Fuzzy monkey.
Round 2.
Round 3, round 4, round 5, 6, and the 7, and the 8.
Say it, boy.
Okay, use your
monkey.
You look like you live in J with that chaw in your mouth.
With a hat on.
Fuzzy monkey.
Fuzzy monkey.
Fuzzy monkey.
We'll send this to your orthodontist. Use your cheeks, boy.
Fuzzy monkey. Come on, do it.
Fuzzy monkey.
Little squirrel.
Don't swallow it.
Good.
Fuzzy monkey.
I think it has to stay in your
You
mouth.
gotta keep it in your mouth or you're out of the game.
Fuzzy monkey. I'm telling who's out or who's in.
Okay. Good. Good.
Wait, Brian's out. Brian's out.
Man, he just got shooting out.
Fuzzy monkey. Somebody spit it out the marshmallows.
Man, he is stuffing them in there.
On the same side. You had to get some Botox, didn't you?
He needs a doctor. Fuzzy monkey. You're out. You're out. I can tell you're out. Fuzzy monkey. You got marshmallow teeth.
Run outside.
You're out.
Get at the bushes.
You're out.
And then there were 4.
Shooting out.
Just little bitty a puppy walking back there.
Come on, Jordan, get some.
Rosie Rocky. You're out of the game.
Oh, here comes the proud mama.
I do not doubt this. Don't spit it out or you're out.
Good.
Oh, my
If
stomach.
you just chew it on something, pull the next one in. You sneeze that marshmallow out of your mouth.
Oh, he's gone to the second. Oh, no, he's still in one cheek.
It's done for him. Fuzzy monkey.
Number 3 was can't be back in the game.
I think she needs to say it again.
Fuzzy monkey. Fuzzy monkey. All right. Kim, get some more. We're going to run out of marshmallows.
Yep.
Oh, my mouth is all hairy feeling.
You're having a hairy mouth.
What? No, you own that.
You can't say it again.
competition down on the end there. Okay.
But Jordan's just.
Yours.
Yours.
Yeah.
You're talking to a mouthful.
He looks like a monkey.
Harder to say fuzzy bunny.
We're doing monkey right now. Don't change the game.
But I'd like to see you say bunny with that. Whatever.
I think maybe we should just calm down the game. Rosie Morowski.
She's trying. Oh, nope, out.
You won the game. You won the game.
Say it loud and proud, Brandon.
You're good.
Hello. Say hello.
Yeah, one last time.
Say.
He's eating them. He's such a teenager.
Then say I'm the winner.
It melted.
They melted. You got it on your cheek.
We waited for you to say it one last time.
Yeah. Then you can see I'm the winner.